Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi. I would like to welcome our CSC264 lecturer, Puan Siti Rosin Ismail, as known as Puan Sri. In this video, our team GG are going to do a presentation about our project, which is developing a system and mobile apps. Before we get started, I would like to introduce our members and their roles in this project. Let's go! Let me introduce to you about our project. Our team has created a website for furniture sales called Furniture to You. This project is to show that our new or regular customer can buy our furniture through online. Our team has created a simple but elegant website for our users, which is client and admin. Our team will present two system user, which is client and admin, database layout, and mobile version. So without further ado, we continue our presentation to Muhammad Faiz.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Chidris. Okay, now I will show you about customer. Okay, first, the customer who has signed up before this into the system, you actually just can go to login and login as customer. So you key in the username that you signed up before this, the password, then you just login. It will take a few seconds. Okay, after you have done login into the system, then you will just go to the shop section. At this shop section, you can order. You can place the something furniture that you can buy. Just change the amount and add to cart, just like that. So there's a lot of choices that you can choose. Okay. To order the furniture, you just can click at the amount and just change the number that you want, like this. If you already add the item, it will show that to you. Then you also can add another furniture like this. Go and add the card. Okay, after you have done select the item, add the card, then you also can see at the card here, the card what have you already ordered and add the card. So at here you can see the action here, you can remove if you don't want it. So let me try. Okay, so it show the item removed. Then at here we also, if you have done select the checking like this, and you doesn't want to remove anything to this, and you just can click buy to buy it, place the order. Then it will pop out like this, then you just put your name, the date that you want, your address, and the amount just now. Okay, and then you just click the order. Then it will pop up. Are you sure you want to buy this product? Then if you click OK, it will bring you to the paying session. Okay. So at here, you also, as a customer, you also can change your profile. So just click at the icon above, and then you just click the update. Okay, so you just put in the new that you want to. Just put it. And then the number for okay, so you just click the update file data and click OK if you want to proceed. Okay, so after that, if you want to leave, you just can click the sign up icon above this. Just click it, then it will show you the home, the main page. Okay. So if you want to be a new customer to this furniture sale system here in Comfort, so you just can sign up. Just click the sign up icon above this. Just click it, and it will bring you to this register session. So here you can put your username, like uh, next put the phone number. Okay, phone number. And then if you're done here and you just want here and you just click the register. So it will bring you automatically to the login session. That means your sign up already successful and your data has entered to the client database or the client directory. So to confirm it, just enter that and we just click login. So you already enter this. If you don't trust me or someone, you can check at the user profile. Okay, there you can sign out. Okay. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ali Rizali from group CS104B. I would like to present to you one of our project. So I will explain to you about our staff section. So first off, we need to log in our website. So we log in as admin, since I will explain to you the section for the admin view. So here we have the admin login, and we have to insert our username and password. So for our current database, we'll use standard one, the admin, and password also be admin, and we shall log in to get access into it. Okay, first of all, when we push the home button, we shall get the organization chart, which show the chief executive officer, president, staff, and the other staff. It's our organization chart. And at the bottom, we shall have a member list where we have a lot of tons of our member, our worker. So these guys are one of our workers. So if we search, for example, Sharul, so if we push the search button, and we shall get Sharul for information. Next, we shall have a look at the order. So at the order segment, we shall look at the table of order that customer has been ordered from us. So from the customer section, information will transfer it to the here, and we list down the item that they want to order. So for example, that we have choose is 4-level drawer, leg chair, at date of 14 July 2021, address at Kampung Batu, and we can edit this order if we are like to, and if there are requests to edit, so we can change it to anything that we want. For example, Kampung Batu 10, which I just change the capital letter, and the order is 1. So if we update the order, and they will show a warning that are we sure to update this order. So we just click yes, and it will update. Same goes to the others, so it will not matter much. So let us have a look at the product. So the product will show all the item that we shall sell to our customer, with the ID of the items, image, and also the price. We can also edit it too, but for now we are going to keep it just like this. So other than that, we can add another data, which if we have another new item that we wish to add, such as ID, we shall add anything that we can add YT 111 name, shop code, and the pet we shall choose from the other image, and plus we shall choose for about 250. So we can add the data, but in order to add the data, we have to fill in the JPEG, which is image of the order. So we will not add, since we are not going to sell the another bed. So and if you like to see the coding of behind this product, then we shall move to another member, Sharon. We'll explain it to you later. Thank you.
Right here I'm gonna talk about the coding part. I will show you a little bit of this coding, and this is the PHP part. I'm not gonna talk about this yet. I'm about HTML first. This is the basic part. This is a navigation menu, and we put some button in the navigation menu to navigate the user to go the other page. As you can see that this on click. On click means when the user click the button, they will transfer to the other page. This mean the function. As you can see, we use the link to other page. We use the same for others. Alright. This is the search form. We use the method get method. The input here is for the user to insert the keyword to search what he want to search. This is name that will go. This is the search. Actually, this is the search. This is a required DBHP where we need the other page to start the PHP in this page. Like this, we need db.php to run the PHP here, because db.php is the connection to the database that we spare it with the others. This is the SQL statement. This is the SQL statement where we select all from the product table. Mean all the product item will show here. This is the statement to prepare the query, SQL query. This is the for execute, to execute the statement, the query. Alright, this for fetch all the data in the product table. As you can see that this get search where the name search. But then this is to convert the keyword. This is the query to search the product where for name like the keyword. The percentage means like a little like something like that. The statement will be prepare and then execute, like same here. This is the table that will show the product table, that you can see here. We will call all the data in the table to show in the web. Alright, this is the column name for each column in the database, in the table product. This is the link, hyperlink, where we use to edit and to delete the product. So we will link the edit.php to this page. So whenever the user click on the edit word, they will go to the other page, which is to edit page, to edit the product or to edit the product data. So here is the form that what we want to change. The ID for the product we can't change. It's the top. So we just can change the name, the image, the price. So this is the submit button to execute the PHP to execute the query update. So this same. So this if is a post name and is a post price, so the variable. So this is the query where we update the pro name or pro image of pro price, where pro ID equal to ID, where we take back then we get the ID. So this is the statement. This still same with the others. This is header to head to other page. We also can use the header for refresh, to refresh the page. Alright, so this is the delete. This is our data confirm, where we use to return the confirmation from the user to delete the data or not. So still the same for like this. The data, the coding for the delete.php is simple, the same like edit, but it is more simple. Okay. Alright, this is the insert data form, where to insert the data into the into the table product. This is the insert data PHP, where to execute to insert the data that we put in the form, and to insert the data into the PHP, into the database. Alright, thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Robin bin Muhammad Faris, and I'm from class A for CS110 4B, and for my group, and I'm going to talk about the database that we made. Going to the database furniture sale, this is our our database name. The database consists of the table admin, client, order, and product. So I'm going to go through admin's table. For admin's table, we have username as the primary key. For the column username, we have username as the primary key, and it consists of a password. So we can see here that username is the primary key right here, and you need to fill in username and password. For client, we have client CLI underscore username as its primary key. Primary key helps to actually bind all the information together, so that you need all of this to register to the website. For this table, client username is the primary key, and it consists of client password, client name, client email, and client phone number. As you can see here, client username, the P key right here, you need to fill out this one, and in accordance to this, the password, name to the email, and the phone number. For the order table, we have order ID as the primary key. As what I have said earlier, the primary key helps bind all the information together that you need to make it as one thing. Under order table, we have order ID as the primary key, into order item, order date, order address, order price, and order status. As you can see here, the order ID is 1. In accordance to order item, the item that the customer wants to buy and the date and the address and the price and the status. And next we move on to the last table, and is product. Product has PRO_IDs as its primary key, and it stands for product ID. So it consists of product ID as the primary key, product name, product image, and product price. As we can see here, product ID is BE310, product name is Super Single Bed, product image, we insert image, you can see on the website, and the price that we also listed on the website. That is all from me. Thank you.
Alright, here is the block codings for the login page. As you can see here is our my IP address. Mobile app is the folder for in the htdoc folder, and this is our login.php file, and we want to get the data from the user. We get the post text for the for require the username password from the user. Is a notifier for notify the to notify the user that the login is successful or not. So, and this is the open screen, open another screen, which is when the user successful login, and it will take the user to another page. So this login coding, login.php login. So as you can see that the connection.php, which the connection.php is where we write the code to connect the database. Here is the select statement where we use to find the username and password in database to check whether the username or password is exists. So if the username and password is exists, the user will get to log in. Alright, this is a sign up. It's same with the login, but instead of username password, we take all the data from the user. And this is the coding sign up the PHP. This is a variable, and this is the select statement where we check whether the username is already exists. If exists, the user can sign up because it's already exists, right? It already been used. So if not exist, this is a statement to insert the data into database. This just homepage is a homepage coding block. It's nothing. Here is a profile. This profile page where we show the data of the user. This is the update. If user want to update the profile, he can write the new data at the profile page, and the system will take the data and update into this database. This delete coding block, which is the user. If the user want to delete his account, they will take the username. So if user want to turn the account, same like they just select statement, delete. Select statement is to find the username that he want to delete, and the delete query will delete the client data, user data, if the username that he write is same in the database. Alright, this is shop page where the user can see all the product from the database. So this is the coding for view all the product into the page. Alright, thank you.